Today we are off the trails, currently at a hotel. Part of this trip is that my wife needed to work Tuesday and Wednesday, so we positioned ourselves right outside of Rapid City at a Holiday Inn, and she's hard at work, and so that gives me the opportunity to go do some scouting. So today I'm going to grab a few drinks, load up the cooler with some stuff, and I'm gonna go run a few trails, mark some waypoints, do a little scouting, maybe even find some cool places to camp. Come join me. It's about 60 degrees and the rains have blown out, so we should be able to get out and get a few things. It rained pretty hard the last couple of days though, so it may be pretty muddy. Okay, we are currently here where the blue dot is. We're gonna go down Highway 16 till we reach the Rocky Gulch, and then we're going to take that into Forester's Gulch, and it actually looks pretty promising. But some of the views, from what I can tell from the pictures from previous reports, look awesome. The weather's going to be pushing out, no more rain for the day, maybe tomorrow. Okay, we're at the beginning of the trail here, and we're going to kind of wind down through here and see what we can find. It looks pretty well maintained so far. The gates are open. Okay, which way do I go here? I've got two roads. One leads up to TP Peak. The other one leads down around Gorge. I think I'm gonna go Peak. Let's go mountain. Alright, now we're going up. Yes. Haven't had to put it in four-wheel drive yet. May have to on some of this little Rockies. I'm gonna guess this is an old logging road of some kind, because starting to get into a little bit of rocks here. Let's see if we can't keep from busting something. Well, that was a little bit smoother than I expected. Must be from my superior tire placement and off-roading skills. I don't think so. For lunch right here. This trail is just basically a lot of woods traveling. Can't seem to find a peak to go up to, so we're gonna see if we can't find an end to this trail and turn around. The way my wife packs, there is everything that you would ever want in 3 places: dry goods, snack, and cooler. Hope y'all don't judge me for just eating directly off of the Starlink case. I've decided to go all the way to the end of this road and hang a left, catch another road, and takes me back to the freeway. Not quite sure what I just got myself into, but looks like this is some jacked up mountain pass shit. Oh, so just scouting the trail here that I was going to take to get back to the hotel. And I don't know if you can see this, but this is muddy, rocky. I'm not going to drive this truck home. There's trees down. And it's just not worth busting or breaking something. So I'm turning around. This trail is not going to happen. It is seriously Jeep 4x4 rock crawling, and I'm not gonna do it. I'm not busting anything, just to make a trail. This is the struggle of driving a full-size truck. We ended up on TP Gulch Trail, and that one was kind of interesting. More trail runs. Gonna try to go out tomorrow morning and hit a few more trails in the Black Hills before we head to the Badlands over east of here. But I'm gonna try to mark as many as I can. I don't seem to be able to find a lot of other people marking campsites and things like that in the Black Hills. Of course, I don't really chase a lot of people, but I'll mark a few and I'll share them out with anybody that asks. Holy cow, this side of the Forester's Gulch is crazy. I missed the boat yesterday. I did not come to the right side of the gulch. This is incredible. Great views over here, and you don't always know where you're going, what you're gonna find. You can kind of guess and track and stuff like that, but you never know till you go. And that's why we go. Which way should I go? Hello, hello cows. You got cows? I'm going to the top of this hill. I don't care. I'm gonna make it. Tell you, the climb to this peak here was worth it, but Lord, I got beat all to death with this. Just lava rock just everywhere. Be sure and join us for our next video where we tour the Badlands National Park. See you on the trails.